Course. Hello, hi everyone. Course BSc, subject physics, paper quantum mechanics first, astrophysics and nuclear physics first. Chapter or subtopic liquid drop model, semi-empirical binding energy or mass formula, Fermi gas model, presented by Bommalingaya B. Liquid drop model. The liquid drop model of the nucleus as proposed by N. Bohr means Niels Bohr in 1937. According to this model, the nuclei of all elements behave like a liquid drop of electrically charged liquid of constant density but varying mass. The liquid consists of protons and neutrons. Assumptions. Nucleus is assumed to be spherical in shape, similar to the shape of the liquid drop due to surface tension. The nuclear forces of the nucleus are similar to surface tension forces of a liquid. The interaction between the nucleus inside the nucleus is similar to interaction between the molecules in a liquid drop. The density of nucleus is almost constant and independent of the mass number. Similarly, the density of liquid drop is constant, independent of its volume. The constant binding energy of the nucleus is similar to the latent heat of vaporization of liquid. Emission of alpha, beta and gamma particle from the nucleus is similar to evaporization of molecules from the surface of the liquid. The energy of the nucleus is similar to the internal thermal vibrations of a liquid drop. The formation of compound nucleus by the absorption of nuclear particles during nuclear reaction is similar to the process of condensation of liquid drops. Difference between nucleus and liquid drop. First point, the kinetic energy of the nucleus in a liquid drop is the order of 0.1 electron volt, which is much smaller than the intermolecular distances. But in nucleus, the kinetic energy of the nucleus is of the order of 10 mega electron volt, which is the order of internuclear distances. Second one, molecules in a liquid drop attract one another at a distance of larger than the dimension of the shells. Merits of liquid drop model. It is successfully explains nuclear reactions and nuclear fission. It explains the properties of isobars. It explains the stability limit for heavy nuclei. It explains the dependence of number of neutrons on A5/3 in stable nuclei. Semi-empirical mass formula. According to Bethe and Weizsäcker, the binding energy of the nucleus is Be is equal to EV plus ES plus EC plus delta. Volume of the nucleus. The volume energy is directly proportional to the mass number. EV proportional to S. EV is equal to kVA, where kV is a constant. Surface energy of the nucleus. The nucleons on the surface of the drop interact only with nucleons on one side. As a result, the nucleus assumes spherical shape. The surface force acting on the nucleus decreases the binding energy of the nucleus. The decrease in binding energy of the nucleus due to surface force is directly proportional to surface area of the nucleus. ES directly proportional to A power 2/3. E equals minus Ks A power 2/3, where Ks is constant and negative sign indicates that the total surface energy Es reduces the binding energy of the nucleus. Coulomb energy. The energy due to repulsive force between protons is called Coulomb energy. The amount of work done in bringing together Z number of protons from infinity into spherical nucleus. EC equals minus Kc into Z minus 1 divided by A power 1 by 3, where Kc is constant. Negative sign indicates Coulomb energy decreases the binding energy of the nucleus. Asymmetric energy. The number of neutrons increases. The nucleus acquires an asymmetrical character, due to which a force comes into play which reduces the volume energy. This reduction energy is called asymmetric energy. EA equals minus Ka into A minus 2Z whole square divided by A, where Ka is constant. Negative sign indicates that the asymmetry energy decreases the binding energy of the nucleus. Pairing energy. The nuclei with even number Z of protons and even number N of neutrons are highly stable. Even Z add N or add Z even N are less stable. This add even effect can be represented pairing energy. It is directly proportional to A power minus 3 by 4. Delta proportional to A power minus 3 by 4. Delta equals Kp A power minus 3 by 4, where Kp is constant. Semi-empirical mass formula. Semi-empirical formula. The total binding energy Be equals Ev plus Es plus Ec plus Ea plus delta. So we should all the terms in the binding energy equation. We get binding energy is equal to Kv A minus Ks A power 2 by 3 minus Kc Z into Z minus 1 A power 1 by 3 minus Ka into A minus 2Z whole square divided by A plus Kp into A power minus 3 by 4. Nuclear mass, which is the function of atomic number Z and mass number A. M into A comma Z is equal to ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus Be. M into A comma Z is equal to ZMP plus A minus ZMN minus KVA minus KS A power 2 by 3 minus KC into Z minus 1 A power 1 by 3 minus Ka into A minus 2Z power 2Z whole square by A plus Kp A power minus 3 by 4. This is known as the semi-empirical mass formula. Fermi gas model. Fermi gas model is a statistical model of the nucleus which shows the nucleus as a degenerate gas of protons and neutrons. All the particles are crowded into the lowest possible states with requirement of Pauli exclusion principle. Nucleons of the nucleus are of the fermions having spin off. The behavior of the neutron or proton gas will be determined by Fermi-Dirac statistics. Nucleons are confined to small volume equal to 4 by 3 pi R0 cube A. Nucleus is completely degenerate. First few excited state. The nuclear dimensions is of the order of several mega electron volt. The potential energy is proportional to the number of interacting pairs, that is A into A minus 1 divided by 2. The de Broglie wavelength for the nucleus of radius r and particles of mass m is lambda is equal to r divided by A power 1 by 3. The momentum P is equal to h by lambda equals 2 h cross by lambda equals 2 pi h cross A power 1 by 3 divided by r. Kinetic energy is proportional to P square by 2m. Kinetic energy is directly proportional to A power 2 by 3 divided by mr square. For whole nucleus, kinetic energy directly proportional to A power 5 by 3 divided by mr square. This model gives the qualitative idea of heavy nuclei. References. So these are the following books are referred for further information. Thank you one and all.